Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8a and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll and find not the privacy, the security. Now let's tap on more settings at the very bottom of the list and find install apps from external sources. As you can see, it is almost in the middle of the list. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. From now on, since this option is active, your device is, the Chrome actually, not your device, is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after going back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.